Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Love Heart shaped sunglass women vintage cat eye mod retro sunglasses. And they come with a plastic frame and they have photochromatic lenses. They're non-polarized. The lens width is 53. So it's a good size. They're kind of a fun one. They don't really have too much tint to them, so they're not a dark glasses, so you can actually wear these at night if you want. It's UV 400, 100% protection against harmful UVA and UVB sun rays. This is style 2000. Basically, this was a designer style where it's the elongated cat eye heart glasses, and I wait until if I see them on the Kardashians, I know they're going to knock them off and they're going to make them an affordable price, and that's what I do when I wait for sunglasses. And I usually wear eyeglasses, but if my husband's driving and I can just choose fashion, I will wear these. And they're super fun. They come in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors. And it says that it comes with an eyeglass case, but it actually doesn't, which is kind of confusing to me. But you can definitely get a little eyeglass case for cheap. It's just a bummer that it advertises that it comes with it and it doesn't. So the temple length is 153 millimeters. The frame width is 140 millimeters. Lens height is 56 millimeters. The lens width is 53 millimeters. The bridge is 21 millimeters, and they weigh a total of 30 grams. So they are pretty light. And I don't like spending a lot of money on sunglasses because I feel like you leave them places, you lose them, they break, and they really... I went to an event once where I got a pair of Oakleys for free, and they retailed for about $300, and they were probably the crappiest sunglasses I had ever gotten. And even though they were free, they were still a really expensive pair of sunglasses that I was expecting a lot from, and they were just nothing. There was nothing to them. And I think that the eyeglass industry jacks up prices on certain designers, and it's actually the same material. So you don't have to spend a ton to be in fashion and have something fun to wear as I wear. I like to show my personality and let my flag fly and do fun stuff like this. I love tortoise. I think tortoise is really cute. It looks really cute on, especially with like a dress. And yeah, just a really fun pair of glasses. The item model number is called Love Heart, and date this was first listed was in January of 2018. So yeah, it's recent. It's a recent eyeglass that came out. And save your money. Don't spend it on expensive sunglasses. It's not worth it. You're not getting any better quality. You know, they basically do the same thing as the really expensive ones, and these you can break, and so what? You lose, a small amount of money. It's no big deal, as opposed to paying $400 for eyeglasses, and you leave them behind at a restaurant, and of course, the lost and found doesn't have them. So it's a nice thing to just spend a little bit on eyeglasses, have some fun, and don't have to worry so much about keeping your eyes on them. No pun intended. So yeah, these are again the Love heart-shaped glasses, women vintage cat eye mod retro style glasses. They're super fun, super cute, something fun to add to your wardrobe arsenal. And yeah, just check them out. And yeah, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.